Welcome to our channel, folks. Today we're tackling a universal nuisance, a kitchen gremlin, a refuse-related ruckus, the dreaded trash bag slip. You know what I'm talking about, right? That moment when you go to toss something away and the whole bag just disappears down into the can like a deep-sea diver. It's enough to make a saint curse, and let's not even talk about the potential mess. We've all been there, scraping coffee grounds and last week's leftovers off the bottom of the bin. But fear not, my friends, because today we're going to conquer this culinary conundrum once and for all. We're going to explore the fascinating world of trash bag retention, examining 5 simple yet effective methods to keep those bags right where they belong. So buckle up, grab your thinking caps, and maybe a pair of tongs, because we're going in. All right, let's get down to business, shall we? Our first line of defense in this battle against rogue trash bags is as simple as it is effective: the mighty rubber band. Now, I'm not talking about those anemic little things you find languishing on your broccoli stalks. No, we need a rubber band with some backbone, something that can stand up to a week's worth of kitchen scraps. A sturdy rubber band, or even a small bungee cord if you're feeling ambitious, is all it takes to subdue even the most unruly trash bag. The key here is circumference. You want a band that fits snugly around the rim of your trash can without being stretched to its breaking point. Once you've found the Goldilocks of rubber bands, simply drape your trash bag into the can, fold the top edge over the rim, and then, like a culinary Houdini, wrap that rubber band around the folded edge. Think of it as a belt for your trash bag, keeping everything cinched tight and in its proper place. Give it a good tug to test the tension. You want a firm grip, like a handshake from a friendly giant. And there you have it, a trash bag that stays put, no matter how much you toss its way. But why does this work, you ask? It's all about friction, my friends. That trusty rubber band creates enough friction between the bag and the can to prevent any unwanted downward movement. It's like adding sandpaper to the equation, but without the unpleasant side effects. So go forth, armed with your newfound knowledge and a handful of rubber bands, and conquer those trash bag woes. Stay tuned, because we've got 4 more ingenious hacks coming your way. Welcome back, trash warriors. For our next trick, we're going to enlist the help of an unlikely ally, the humble binder clip. You know, those metal contraptions lurking in your desk drawer, usually tasked with holding together stacks of important documents? Well, it turns out they're also surprisingly adept at wrangling trash bags. Think of them as the multi-tool of the kitchen, equally at home organizing your recipes as they are maintaining order in your trash can. Now, you can use any type of clip you have on hand: binder clips, clothespins, even those ingenious chip bag clips. The goal is to create a series of anchor points, securing the trash bag firmly to the rim of the can. Imagine you're building a tiny suspension bridge, but instead of cables and concrete, you're using metal clips and plastic bags. Start by placing the trash bag in the can and folding the top edge over the rim, just like we did with the rubber band. Then, take your clips and space them evenly around the circumference of the can, clamping the folded bag edge securely to the rim. I find that 3 clips provide a good amount of hold for a standard kitchen trash can, but feel free to use more if you're dealing with a particularly stubborn bag or a larger can. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity and adaptability. No need for any special tools or complicated maneuvers, just a few well-placed clips and you're good to go. And the best part? You can reuse the clips over and over again, making this a surprisingly sustainable solution to your trash bag woes. So ditch those flimsy store-bought trash bag holders and embrace the power of the binder clip. It's a classic case of if it ain't broke, don't fix it, except in this case, it's more like if it's cheap, readily available, and surprisingly effective, use it. Stay tuned for our next hack, where we explore the wonderful world of adhesive solutions. Chapter 3. Hack 3, Adhesive Hooks, a sticky situation, in a good way. Greetings, fellow garbage gurus. Today, we delve into the realm of adhesives with a surprisingly effective hack that'll make you wonder why you didn't think of it sooner. We're talking about adhesive hooks, those small but mighty wonders that can turn any surface into a storage solution. Now you might be thinking, adhesive hooks in my trash can, have you gone mad? But hear me out, because this method is genius in its simplicity. We're essentially creating a built-in system within the can itself, rendering those pesky slipping bags a distant memory. First things first, you'll need a set of adhesive hooks. Choose a size that's small enough to fit comfortably inside your trash can just below the rim. Make sure they're strong enough to bear the weight of a full bag of trash, You don't want them popping off at the worst possible moment. Once you've got your hooks, clean the inside of the trash can where you'll be placing them. Adhesive works best on a clean, dry surface, and we want these hooks to stick like a politician on a promise. Attach 2 hooks on opposite sides of the can, just below the rim. Think of it as creating a pair of sturdy handles for your trash bag. Now, grab your trash bag and make a small cut on opposite sides of the bag's opening, near the top edge. These cuts will act as loops to secure the bag to the hooks. And there you have it. Slip the loops over the hooks, and voila! Your trash bag is now securely anchored inside the can. This method is particularly effective if you tend to overfill your trash bags, as the hooks provide additional support and prevent the bag from tearing away from the rim. It's a subtle change, but it can make a world of difference in maintaining a clean and efficient waste disposal system. Chapter 4. Hack 4, Double Bagging. It's not just for groceries anymore. Welcome back, waste management mavens. Today's hack is all about embracing the power of redundancy. That's right, we're talking about double bagging, and no, this isn't just for overly cautious grocery shoppers. While it might seem counterintuitive to use more bags in the name of sustainability, hear me out. By double bagging, you're essentially creating a trash bag force field, a barrier against leaks, tears, and those dreaded bag slips. Plus, you can often get away with using smaller bags for the inner layer, reducing overall plastic waste in the long run. The concept is simple. Take 2 trash bags and place one inside the other. Think of it as building a sturdy 2-ply wall against the onslaught of kitchen scraps. This double layer not only provides extra strength and durability, but also increases the friction between the bag and the can, making it less likely to slide around. Once you've got your double bag fortress in place, fold the top edge of both bags over the rim of the trash can, just like you would with a single bag. You can then choose to secure the bags with a rubber band, binder clips, or even leave them as is, depending on the size and weight of your trash load. The beauty of double bagging lies in its versatility. You can adjust the number of bags and the securing method based on your specific needs and the size of your trash can. It's like a choose-your-own-adventure for trash bag management, but with a guaranteed happy ending, a clean and contained trash can. So go forth, embrace the power of 2, and bid farewell to those single bag struggles. Stay tuned for our final hack, a more permanent solution for those seeking a set-it-and-forget-it approach to trash bag retention. Chapter 5. Hack 5, Velcro Strips, the ultimate trash bag taming solution. Welcome back to the final round of our trash bag showdown. For our last hack, we're bringing out the big guns, Velcro Strips. That's right, the same ingenious fastening system that keeps your sneakers securely on your feet can also be used to wrangle unruly trash bags. This method is for those who crave a more permanent solution, a way to say sayonara to slipping bags once and for all. It's like building a custom trash bag holster, ensuring a perfect fit every single time. Now, before you rush off to the craft store, a word of caution. This method does involve a slight modification to your trash can, but fear not, it's nothing a little adhesive can't handle. You'll be needing some self-adhesive Velcro strips, the kind you can find at any hardware or craft store. Make sure to choose strips that are wide enough to provide a secure hold and strong enough to withstand the weight of a full trash bag. Start by cleaning the rim of your trash can thoroughly, removing any dust, grease, or debris. Remember, a clean surface is crucial for optimal adhesion. Once your trash can is sparkling clean, cut your Velcro strips to size, ensuring they fit snugly around the circumference of the rim. Peel off the backing from one side of the Velcro strips and carefully attach them to the inside of the trash can rim, spacing them evenly. Now take your trash bag and attach the other side of the Velcro strips to the top edge of the bag, aligning them with the strips on the trash can. And there you have it. Your trash bag is now permanently secured to the can, ready to withstand even the most aggressive trash tossing. When it's time to change the bag, simply detach the Velcro, remove the old bag, and attach a new one. It's a simple, elegant solution that will make you wonder why trash cans don't come standard with this feature. So, go forth. Equip your trash can with the power of Velcro, and experience the joy of a truly slip-free trash disposal system. That's it for today's garbage-themed adventure. We've journeyed from the depths of despair and overflowing trash cans to the heights of trash containment triumph. We've explored 5 simple yet effective hacks, each one designed to banish those pesky slipping bags to the dustbin of history. Remember, a well-secured trash bag is a thing of beauty, a testament to your ingenuity and your commitment to a clean and efficient kitchen. So go forth, armed with your newfound knowledge, and conquer those trash cans. And don't forget to share your own trash bag hacks in the comments below. We're always on the lookout for new and inventive ways to tackle life's little challenges. Until next time, happy cooking and even happier trash disposal.